Okay, so there's Clyde. He just lands on the deck, and all of a sudden he sees the mouse, and he jumps on it. And he bites the neck. And he holds it with his claw to make sure it's dead. And when he's choked it and killed it enough, he picks it up, and instead of eating it himself, he's such a good mate, he takes it over to Bonnie, flies it over to Bonnie, and gives it to her. This clocking you hear is live, and this is a recording. So there he goes over to Bonnie's house with his catch of the day, and there's Bonnie stealing it from him. So he mates with her, and he gets the hell out just like usual, never spending any more time in there than he has to, and there he goes.